a big thanks to Full Metal Engineering. He helped film this entire video. Links.
$1,300 subscribers. And that's a lot of people. And over a weekend too. Wow. Obviously, it was all my talent that did that, not the clandestine actions of bigger YouTubers. Just me. But seriously, I learned so much from Jarrus and the Hacksmith. Microphones, cameras, lighting, scheduling, those guys really know what they're doing. But my long-term fans might be asking, isn't there meant to be a power armor video part this week or something? Or is this meant to be a power armor video? Well, I'll put it simply. The power supply got too heavy, but just heavy enough that it could be a mech. So my large exosuit project became a small mech project. Let me put it to you another way. This is a 600 kilogram, that's about a little over 1,200 pound actuator. This is going to be the biggest actuator on the exosuit. It's now the smallest actuator on the mech. This is the smallest and least powerful. So anyway, I'm making the pilot seat first. Joysticks to control the arms, foot pedals to control the tank drive, and a seat. The back section isn't as stiff as I'd like it to be, so I'm going to reinforce it along the sides. They'll give us a good place to attach the seatbelt and the control arms for the joystick. Call it 1/2 meter. Can't believe this thing actually worked. Even though this is soft steel, it's still a bit hard. I thought to myself, what upholstery suits a machine of pure carnage? Black leather. Yeah, I'm gonna put full leather seats on this thing.